replacing the palm rest on an Acer C722. So you can just flip the unit over and take the screws out of the bottom cover. Now you can just pop the bottom cover off. Then you just want to start disconnecting everything, so you can disconnect the battery, the speakers, touchpad ribbon, keyboard ribbon, USB ribbon, Wi-Fi cards, and then whenever you disconnect the Wi-Fi cards, you can unravel them. And then you can disconnect the LCD cable. And now you can take all the screws out of the palm rest. And now you can start removing stuff. So you can remove the battery. You can remove the speakers. To get these two things, you want to lift up on the palm rest a little bit to get the hinges to lift up. So now you can remove the USB board and the motherboard. And then to get the palm rest off, you just lift up the whole way, and then it'll come undone. Now you can take your new palm rest and put it face down on the computer. And you might have to move it around a little bit to get the hinges to line up. Once you got the hinges lined up, then you just want to lift up on the palm rest just a little bit to get them to separate from the palm rest a little bit so that you can put the motherboard back in. And you can put the motherboard bracket back on. And push this hinge down. And now you can put the USB board back into place. And now you can push this hinge down. Now you can put the speakers back into place. Make sure that the one with the wires goes on the right side, because that's what gets hooked into the motherboard. And then you can ravel the cable around in the hooks. Then you just want to push the wire down so that it's not sticking up. Now you can put the battery back into place. You can put all the screws back in. And now you can reconnect all the cables. So you can reconnect the speakers, the touchpad ribbon, the keyboard ribbon, the USB ribbon, for the Wi-Fi cables, you want to loop them back around the hooks. And now you can reconnect the Wi-Fi cables. And then you can reconnect the LCD cable. And now you just grab your bottom cover and snap it back on. And then put your screws back into the bottom cover. Now if you want to verify the repair, you can just open up the unit, plug in the AC adapter if needed, and hold the power button. If it gets this screen, that means that it was a success. So now you can just shut down the unit.